They are going to perform 3 dances. For their first dance, Dragonfly Dance or Sayaw ng Tutubi. This is being performed at the onset of the rainy season because along with the rainy season comes the planting season. This is also the means of informing other tribes about the sudden change of the weather. Once again, Dragonfly Dance or Sayaw ng Tutubi. For their second dance, Monkey Dance or Sayaw ng Unggoy. They believe that monkeys are excellent hunters in the wild and no other animals in the forest can match the ability of monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Once again, Monkey Dance or Sayaw ng Unggoy. For their last dance, War Dance or Sayaw ng Pagbabayani. This dance is being performed whenever misunderstanding arises between 2 tribes. They usually send their young man to the actual battlefield, but before that, they first perform this dance to ask guidance for their god called Apo na Malyari to lead them into victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem into peaceful manner. Once again, War Dance or Sayaw ng Pagbabayani.